Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is book of social studies of class 4 and today we are going to read about unit number 1 our land and its people and its chapter number 4 how natural disasters change the land. And first natural disaster, as you can see here, flood. What is flood? When there is heavy rain, the lakes and rivers overflow and large areas are flooded. When mountain snow melts too quickly, when too many trees are cut down. What happens when the areas are flooded? Million habitats of living things are destroyed. As you can see here the picture of flood, land destruction by flood. यानी फ्लड की वजह से डिस्ट्रक्शन या तबाही लाने वाली ज़मीन को आप देख सकते हैं. And what should we do before flood? Trees should not be cut needlessly. बगैर ज़रूरत के हमें दरख्त नहीं काटने चाहिए. More trees are must be planted. Drains should be cleaned regularly. The embankments on river edges should be strengthened. Now open page number 16. And next natural disaster, as you can see here, drought. Drought mean खुश्क साली and sometimes we say it कि कहत साली भी हो जाती है due to droughts. Why the reason of drought? When it does not rain in an area for a long time and the area dries up, we call it a drought. This is the reason of drought. And you can see here the land affected with drought, and due to drought animals will be die. We cannot grow crops in. There is no drinking water. There is no water in cities for factories, etc. People have to move away from this area. Thousands of living things die, as you can see already in the picture. Next one is cyclone. Cyclones are very powerful storm. Cyclones बहुत ज़्यादा powerful तूफान होते हैं या storms होते हैं. And they cause great destruction. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा तबाही फैलाते हैं wherever they go. ये जहाँ जहाँ जाते हैं ये तबाही लाते हैं. As you can see here the picture of cyclone. And due to cyclone the destruction. And the next page is page number 17. And you can see here earthquake. Earthquake means zalzala. The crust is the hard outer shell of the earth. In other words, you can say the outer layer of earth is called crust. The crust is divided into 12 huge pieces called tectonic plates. There are huge 7 tectonic plates and minor dozen plates are existed under the earth. Sometimes two plates collide and push each other. Why the earthquake happen? जब दो प्लेट्स आपस में उनका तसादम होता है, दो प्लेट्स का ये कोलाइड होती हैं, एक दूसरे से टकराती हैं. The plates shake and we feel the movement. और तब हमें ज़मीन की मूवमेंट या हरकत महसूस होती है. That's why we call it the earthquake. And what happened in earthquake? Earthquakes occurs without any warning and can cause massive destruction. जब earthquake आते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा massive destruction, बुरी तरह से तबाही लेके आते हैं. As you can see here the destruction due to earthquake. And Pakistan has mostly affected due to earthquake. We have had several earthquakes. Destructive earthquake was on October 2005, which killed hundred of people and destroyed thousands of homes. What should we do to prevent ourselves from earthquake? First of all, we can see here we should design buildings that can survive earthquakes. हमें अपनी buildings को इस तरह से design करना चाहिए कि earthquake से बचा जा सके. We should raise awareness of what to do When an quake occurs, we can shelter under desks in schools, tables and door frames. This will protect us against falling objects. स्टूडेंट्स, ये कुछ सेफ्टी मेजर्स हैं कि अगर अर्थक्वेक का सामना हमें करना पड़े तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए. वी शुड स्टैंड अंडर द डोर फ्रेम्स. अगर हम कमरे में मौजूद हैं तो हमें दरमियान में से हट जाना चाहिए और डोर फ्रेम के नीचे आ जाना चाहिए. एंड इफ़ वी आर प्रेजेंट इन स्कूल देन वी शुड go under desk, chair or table, and if we are in hospital then we should go under the bed. इस तरह से क्या होता है कि हम लिटिल बिट अपनी प्रोटेक्शन कर सकते हैं. Next one, people should be trained to perform rescue work. They should be taught how to dig through fallen buildings to find survivors. Okay students, next page. As you can see here, why does the weather change? This is chapter number 5 and this is the last chapter of unit number 1. Why does the weather change? Weather is the condition of atmosphere in a place for a short period of time. Weather किसी भी जगह का एक short period of time होता है. As you can see here the pictures of weather. There are a lot of reasons which change the weather. First of all, temperature. You can define the temperature in this way. The air, water and land combine to make the temperature. ये चीज़ें मिलके एक temperature को combine करती हैं. And next one, atmospheric pressure. The air around you has weight and it presses against everything it touches. That pressure is called atmospheric pressure or air pressure. Next one, fact which change the earth, that is precipitation. Some forms of precipitation are rain, drizzle, hail and snow. As you can see the picture of rain and snow and hailstorm. Hailstorm शदीद यालाबारी को हम कहते हैं. And precipitation change the temperature. Students, next fact that change the weather condition, humidity. Humidity depends on the amount of water vapor in the air. हवा में जितनी ज़्यादा नमी होगी उतनी ही ह्यूमिडिटी हमारी इंक्रीज होती चली जाएगी. नेक्स्ट फैक्ट इज विंड. विंड इज ए मूविंग एयर. देयर इज अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस बिटवीन विंड एंड स्टॉर्म एंड यू कैन से द प्लेजेंट एयर इज कॉल्ड द विंड. सोलर रेडिएशन. Solar radiation is very important factor. The sunlight we receive from the sun is of great importance to life. The sun rays power the movement of winds and ocean currents. Students, these are some facts which causes the weather changes. And next topic is, there are some instruments which record these weather conditions. First of all, as you can see here, satellite pictures. Satellite record the weather and transmit the data information back to Earth. Polar satellite orbit the Earth and produce photographs of the entire Earth every 24 hours. Geostationary satellite are situated in one place and transmit data back to Earth at regular interval. What the meaning of interval? दरमियानी वक्फे से ये जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है इसको बैक टू अर्थ ज़मीन की तरफ वापस दरमियानी वक्फों से भेजता रहता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द जियोस्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट. एंड नेक्स्ट वन ऑन पेज नंबर 21 of textbook, which instrument? You can see barometer. Barometer is an instrument that is used to measure the air pressure. Air pressure मालूम करने के लिए हम जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट या आला यूज़ करते हैं, this is called the barometer. And hygrometer. Hygrometer measures the humidity in the atmosphere. हवा में मौजूद नमी को जिस आले की मदद से मेजर किया जाता है, this is called the hygrometer. These look same with each other. ये एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल एक जैसे ही लगते हैं, बैरोमीटर एंड हाइग्रोमीटर. एंड द thermometer, it measures temperature in particular range and area, and you can see the picture of thermometer here. And next one is rain gauge. It measures the amount of rain that has fallen over a specific period of time. Rain gauge ये एक ऐसा आला है जिससे हम किसी भी इलाके में बारिश की मिकदार को मालूम करते हैं कि कितनी मिलीमीटर तक बारिश रिकॉर्ड की गई है. एंड द लास्ट वन इज विंड वेन. Wind vane, as you can see the picture of wind vane here, it identifies the direction from which the wind is blowing. ये उस डायरेक्शन को फाइंड आउट करता है कि किस इलाके से कितनी हवा आ रही है. यानी हवा की जो डायरेक्शन है उस इलाके को हवा की डायरेक्शन को मालूम करता है. और दिस इज़ मूवेबल. जिस डायरेक्शन से ये आ रहा होता है उसी हवा आ रही होती है, उसी डायरेक्शन को इसकी शक्ल चेंज हो जाती है, ये उस तरफ को ये मुड़ जाता है. विंड वेन. एंड नाउ ओपन द पेज नंबर 23 एंड अवर लास्ट टॉपिक इज चैप्टर नंबर 5. हाउ डू डेली वेदर कंडीशन अफेक्ट अस. डेली वेदर कंडीशंस हमें कैसे इफेक्ट करती हैं. एज यू कैन सी, वेदर कंडीशन इन्फ्लुएंस हाउ वी लिव एंड व्हाट वी वियर एंड व्हाट वी ईट. इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लिव्स. एज यू कैन सी हियर द पिक्चर ऑफ इग्लू. We build our houses according to the weather. Yes, you can see here igloos which are built with blocks of ice. And next one, you can see here desert house. We often choose not to live in desert because it is too hot. There is very little rainfall. That's why यहाँ पे पानी भी बहुत कम होता है. And we cannot grow any crop here. And next one is we grow our crops according to the weather. Wheat cannot be grown in places with cold weather. Walnuts and cherries cannot grow in places having warm weather. As you can see here, students, walnut tree. So students, due to weather conditions, we have to decide what to wear according to the weather. In hot weather, we wear light, loose fitting clothes. In cold weather, we wear thick, warm clothes. So this is all depend on weather. Students, this was our last lecture of unit number 1 and chapter number 5. And inshallah, in next lecture we will discuss about the exercise question related to these topics. Thank you so much.